In this video, we're going to go over how to add scheduling and multiple scenes to your zones with the AleoBlue website. To set up scheduling, you'll first need to create multiple scenes in your zone. Click the desired zone, click the pencil icon, click the down arrow in the scenario section, and select multiple scenes/scheduling option. In the box that appears below, select Scene 1 to create your first scene. Naming it with a descriptive title is best so you can identify what the scene is for later. Adjust your desired settings and make all of the scenes that are needed. You can create up to 4 scenes. There are 2 checkboxes in your setting options. Automatic Scene is to enable occupancy sensing, and Daylight Harvesting enables the photometric feature if applicable to the fixture. If you prefer to use a dimmer switch for this zone, we recommend to name Scene 1 as operating or on, and Scene 2 as off. We also recommend enabling Automatic Scene for Scene 1, as well as disabling Automatic Scene and setting the light level as 0 on Scene 2. When you're done choosing your settings, rename the profile and click Save. Now your saved scene can be selected for any zone utilizing this profile. Now it's time to create a schedule for this zone. Go back to Area and click Scheduling in the left sidebar. Then click the plus button to create a new schedule. You will see options for Gateway and In Node. Select the option that best fits your project. In this example, we're going to select Gateway. Now name the scheduling event and choose your desired scheduling options. If sunrise or sunset is selected, you'll also have to choose an offset time. Once you're done, click Save. Please note the time zone for gateway scheduling is fixed to UTC.